Hello, my name is Mr Andy Ramwell, consultant colorectal surgeon at St George's Hospital. I want to talk to you today about the importance of dispensing a fit test prior to making a 2-week wait referral for suspected colorectal cancer. A Pan-London colorectal pathway group agreed this new pathway in March, and this was approved by the London Clinical Advisory Group. This guidance applies across London. As you may be aware, following the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, changes were made to some 2-week wait referral pathways. This was to ensure that the risk of clinical harm was reduced and that patients were seen based on clinical priority. The main change to the new pathway for suspected colorectal cancer is that GPs have been asked to dispense a fit test kit and to ensure that the patient completes this prior to referral. The only exception to this is where a patient has an anal or rectal mass when they should be referred immediately. The fit test is the same kit used when you refer a low-risk patient, and it is also used in the bowel screening programme. Please ensure you use this kit and not a traditional stool sample bottle or the old FOBT kit. Most patients who are referred on a 2-week wait pathway do not have a cancer, but they will still need to have a colonoscopy or CT to determine the cause of their symptoms, and a fit test level will allow your local trust to determine the urgency of this investigation. There is currently a large patient waiting list for upper and lower GI endoscopy, and that capacity has been reduced further due to infection prevention and control policies, PPE and social distancing measures. Dispensing the fit kit and attaching this value to the referral ensures that your local trust can effectively risk stratify patients and ensure that access to endoscopy is based on clinical priority. It also means that patients who don't need an invasive procedure can avoid this and avoid attending hospital unnecessarily during the pandemic. You will be informed of your patient's fit result in 2 working days from the day the lab receives the sample. Do not refer your patient until you have this result, as it will delay the triaging process. The new guidance suggests that you refer on a 2-week wait pathway any patient with an anal or rectal mass or with a fit haemoglobin value greater than 10. Where a patient has a fit value less than 10, please consider other pathologies and refer on another pathway, or safety net the patient in primary care and treat for up to 4 weeks. If the patient's symptoms do not resolve in this time, please seek advice and guidance from your local trust. If you refer without a fit value, the trust will contact you and ask you to dispense the kit. If you do not attach a fit value at the point of referral, your patient will remain on the patient tracking list until you have done so. This will delay access to care for patients with a positive fit value, so please do not refer a patient until you have a fit value. A series of FAQs were developed explaining in greater detail the rationale behind this decision, the evidence supporting the pathway, and how patients will be triaged following referral. If you have not received a copy of these, please contact your local clinical lead or CCG representative. Thank you.